Okay, welcome back to the 7th House Art Studio, where you can see I have a mess here. I was like, what can I do? And I can't do anything, everything's such a mess. I turn on the flash, there we go. So, just a little, stay with me while I clean this shit up. Okay, we got some butane. That is for this thing that no longer works. Put it over there. More butane. These can go in your candle lighters. This is hard to do with one hand. Okay, some black spray paint that I never used. And I like to put these on my shelf according to how full they are. I know, it's weird. Okay. The reason I put all this stuff up here actually is my cat kept getting up on my table and knocking everything over. Hobbs, that is. So I was like, you know what? I'm tired. You keep me awake all night playing with my art supplies. So I kind of blocked it. But anyway. Oh, this is just an empty, cleaned out yogurt container I was going to use for something. So we'll just put that up here for right now. I need to get a new paper for my desk, but that's another day. So we'll put all that in that. I like to put the non-stabby things next to my paper shade lamp. I'll put those there. I'll put those there. These actually go up here if I can reach it without falling. Success! Alright. This is just some deodorizer. Sometimes I just like a fresh scent in the room. That needs to go back downstairs. I'll put that right there for right now. Well, my toilet paper. Who else has toilet paper on their nightstand? And this is an all-purpose joint compound. Actually, that's where this was. Oh, I'm going to drop it. I'll put it there. Where am I going to put this? Because I still want to use it. Because I want to put... Actually, it's going to go up here with this because I want to use it with that. I was thinking about doing a painting where I use the joint compound and maybe get it, put some water on it so I can like mold it into shapes. Okay, so look at this cat hair all over the place. This is my... What's in here? I think it's acrylic paint markers. It is. That goes down here. Perfect. And, okay, this is a card I got from my sister for Just Because. Okay. I'm going to put that up here so I can still see it. Alright. Oh, it fell. Oy. Okay. We're getting somewhere. This goes over here. And this goes over here. That's some watercolor. And this is a book I got at Dollar Tree. And you're going to think I'm crazy why I have this book out here. But I'm going to tell you. And don't think I'm crazy, but it might be a good idea for you too. If you have the same problem I have. I'll leave this book out for Ghost to read. And I turn the page a couple times a day. And believe it or not, it kind of settles down the activity in my room here so I can actually sleep. I know that's weird and you probably think I'm nuts, but it helps. Yeah. Because if I've gone a while and didn't have a book out, and there's so much activity in the room, I can feel it. There's things, like sometimes my closet door will come open. I just hear noises, but if I have this out or a book out, it's a lot calmer. So, yeah. I think I'm weird and crazy, but that's the truth, Ruth. The hardest thing is to keep it open. That's why this was here. This kind of holds the page open. Okay. And this is just some notebooks I was using, and a sketchbook, and an old thing I found in my house cleaning up. That, look at all this cat hair. I need to clean this and put a new paper down. But yeah, I use that for a sketchbook. It's kind of freeing because I'm not worrying about using a expensive sketchbook. I can do whatever I want in it. And of course, that is a notebook from Schitt's Creek. Have you ever seen that show? Do you like it? Oh my God, it's so funny. I love it. Alright, that is going to be it. That's my stand. This is where I shoot all my videos. It's right here on this table in my room, my bedroom. So that looks a lot better. And hopefully no cat will be jumping up here tonight and tearing everything up. And yeah, it's not the cat, because there's been nights where I closed the cats out of my room and there's still activity and energy in the room where I can't sleep. So just a little tip, if you have that problem, put a book out, magazines out, flip the page a couple times a day. And thank you for this weird video, sticking around and just cleaning up my little desk area. Thank you.